At 4:52 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending for 5 miles west of the main line of moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines.
I had a feeling that was going to happen.
Include Rockville, Monroe, Chester, Weddington, Fort Mill, Wesley Chapel, Wingate, Warrenville, Marshville, and Mineral Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damage to wind, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina, Mecklenburg and Union, and the following counties in South Carolina, Chester, Union, and York.
Dang, GSP. Going off today, I see.